Welcome to my studio salon space. I feel like I haven't shared this space with very many of you guys, at least not in the way that I would want to. YouTube, it's harder to produce these long form videos, but I wanted to jump on here and let you guys know I haven't forgotten about my YouTube family, and I am always thinking about how can I record more content for you guys that doesn't take away from my client's experience here in my chair, and that also provides you with some value and some joy and some excitement. So one of the things I'm doing this week, I know that today is Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? I think it's Tuesday. It's December 5th. And this Friday, in just a few days, I have very last minute, very quickly decided I need to have a haircut. Has my hair not gotten so long? It's gotten so long. So I've been saving up getting to a point where I feel like I have some major disconnection in here. My bangs are fully grown out. I really need to bring my layers up quite a bit. But I thought, what if we did it together? One of the things that so many of my curl friends across platforms, in my chair, everywhere, have asked for is a DIY class. So this Friday, December 8th, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, live on Zoom. I have relented and I'm gonna do it. I feel like I'm finally mentally and physically ready to do this, so we're gonna do it. You can look at my website, it's brand new. It's AlysonLupo.com, and I'm super duper excited to offer this class. So Zoom, live, 8 p.m. on December 8th, Central Standard Time. We're gonna do a DIY touch-up trim class. We'll be doing everything from bringing my bangs back to doing a little bit in the way of some connecting here on the face frame, doing a little bit of layering to bring some of these long bits up to where they should be, so I get a little bit more shape and a little bit more lift and a little more volume out here rather than down here, and doing just a little bit of trimming up these perimeter bits. So you'll need some tools for this class. Please look in the description box below. There's a link to an Amazon list I've curated specifically for this class, but this includes things like shears. Get some real hair cutting shears. Don't come to this class with your kitchen shears. They'll rip at your hair. You'll be very disappointed at how everything's come out. You'll stick yourself in the eye with them. You do not want to do that. Another tool, as I come digging through my drawer of tricks here, that you may want to consider is using a guarded razor. So this is guarded. I can't cut myself with it. You might enjoy using a guarded razor to carve out some bits if your hair is really, really dense and full and you want to bring this perimeter in. I mean, not perimeter, this overall shape, your volume in just a little bit. You can also use this to cut your bangs. The dangerous thing about this tool is that you can accidentally cut off way too much hair. So I'm teaching you guys to not cut off too much. Start small. Every hairdresser knows a little bit goes a long way, and I'm going to teach that to you too. The other things you'll need: a spray bottle, some kind of Flairosol bottle, maybe that's my favorite, and some kind of hair cutting clips, whether you use alligator clips or something else for sectioning, especially if you're going to be doing anything in the way of face framing. We're going to talk about how to find the right area on your head for sectioning, what should be bangs on you based on your face shape, and because I'll get to see you, I can guide everyone to some degree through their own cut. So it'll be a little bit guided. It's about as hands-on as I can make it, and I really hope to see you there. I have missed being on this platform. I always say that. There's just not enough time in the day. I need to figure out how to clone myself. I know everybody says that, but I mean it. So look at AlysonLupo.com, DIY touch-up trim class. Registration is finally live. Yes, the replay will be available. If you have any other questions, put them down here below, and I hope to see you very soon. Goodbye, my curl friends. I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous curl day.